Alright, here's example 8 from Unit 2 Quadratics on day 2. So for this one we're going to write an equation using a point and x-intercepts. So example 8 says, a meteorologist creates a parabola to predict the temperature tomorrow, where x is the number of hours after midnight and y is the temperature in degrees Celsius. So x is your hours and y is your temperature in Celsius. Since this is given to us in intercept form, I have the two intercepts from this equation. I can use the intercept form to write the equation. So just like in example 7, I don't know the a value. I do know it's going to be positive because the graph is opening up upwards. And now I'm just going to use the intercepts, x minus 4 and x minus 24, to write the equation. Now that I have that, I can plug in this point they give us, which happens to be the y-intercept, into the equation and solve for a. If I plug in 0 for x, 0 minus 4 is negative 4. Let me just write that out. So 9.6 equals a times negative 4 times negative 24. 4 and negative 24, negative 4 and negative 24 gives me positive 96. So a times 96. So here I can divide by 96. 96 cancels, 0.1 equals a. Using that information, I can rewrite the equation. Y equals 0.1, x minus 4, x minus 24, which will represent this equation. On the bottom, there's a throwback. Right? What is the average rate of change in the temperature over the interval 0 to 4? So looking at the graph, at 0, I have a coordinate at 0, 9.6. And at 4, you also have a coordinate. So this one's actually not too bad. So then using the slope, you could set it up as 9.6 minus 0 over 0 minus 4. So it's 9.6 over negative 4. Using your calculator, 9.6 divided by negative 4 is negative 2.4. Which should make sense given this problem, since this is decreasing, should be negative.